Nothing beats the feel of an open wind as you cruise down the street on your board. And with an electric skateboard, you can do it more effortlessly. You can track on hills or carve your way through the town. With off-roading wheels, you can even explore rougher paths that you wouldn't even think of treading upon with non-motorized boards. But getting one of these can get confusing as plenty of them are available in the market. So here in this video, we have listed the top 5 best electric skateboards based on their speed, battery life, and overall performance. Meet the Teamgee H5, an entry-level skateboard for beginners that can be great for shorter commutes, cruising campus, and quick errands. Powered by a 760-watt dual motor, the skateboard can quickly reach a maximum of 22 miles per hour with its 90mm polyurethane wheels in fast mode after startup, so that you can reach your destination swiftly. The skateboard can handle gentle slope hills pretty well, and you can climb hills steadily as steep as a maximum of 20 degrees, so you won't get tired while climbing hills. Its highly efficient battery will let you feel the thrill for up to 18 kilometers, and it takes only 2 hours for the skateboard to get fully charged. The Teamgee electric skateboard comes with a 10-layer Canadian maplewood deck that can carry a weight of up to 220 pounds for a smooth, comfortable ride. It features an intelligent two-way remote control with 4 speed modes, which ensures safe and comfortable riding whether you are a beginner or a pro skater. So if you are looking for a skateboard to travel short distances with, then surely the Teamgee H5 will be a decent choice. If you want to have a skateboard that provides a longer battery life so that you can travel more distances, then get yourself introduced to the SKATEBOLT Tornado 2, which can be a fantastic electric skateboard for your everyday commuting. Featuring powerful 500-watt dual hub motors, it is powerful enough to take you anywhere at a maximum speed of up to 25 miles per hour. It has 4 speed modes so that you can easily control your speed on the go. This powerful skateboard is strong enough to climb a 25% steep hill pretty easily. Equipped with a high capacity of 7500 mAh battery, the skateboard is capable enough to keep you cruising up to 30 to 35 km in medium mode. This longboard is made with 8 layers of northeast maple, which makes it sturdier to support a weight of up to 280 pounds, so you can step on it without the worries of breaking down. The convenient remote controller is designed with an LCD screen display, and you can easily check the speed mode, battery capacity, and brake mode with it. So, have longer rides without the hassle of charging too often with this SKATEBOLT Tornado 2. A premium and stylish electric skateboard to make your traveling easier and fun. Snail 930 is ready to conquer even the harshest of roads. To ensure high performance, the electric skateboard comes with 750-watt dual motors using high-quality copper wire. These high-powered motors can produce a maximum speed of up to 30 miles per hour to reach your destination faster and offer 30% grade hill climbing. The board's unique patterns are designed to provide strong road holding so that you can ride with more confidence on any surface. You can travel up to 30 kilometers on a single charge, and it takes only about 1.5 hours for the board to get fully charged. This lightweight alloy steel shaft can bear a larger load without bending, and it can carry up to 500 pounds, which clearly shows how durable it is. So explore places around you, adding more fun with this Snail 930 that can be quite perfect for any circumstances. Enjoy smooth riding with the RALDEY AT V3S, as it provides sufficient centripetal force and flexible riding no matter what the surface is. Equipped with 750-watt dual motors, this electric skateboard can carry you at a maximum speed of 28.5 miles per hour, and it has a maximum climbing rate at a 30-degree angle with its strong and stable 165mm rubber wheels. The high-capacity battery can provide juice continuously up to 30 kilometers, so you will be able to cover the maximum distances with ease. The AT-V3S deck comprises 8 layers Canadian maple to offer you the highest durability, ensuring the skateboard's stability and comfort. Designed to fit perfectly in your hand, the board comes with an ergonomic designed remote control which is coated with rubber. The OLED display shows you the speed, charge, distance, and different modes. If you are looking for greater performance and spending much isn't an issue, you can undoubtedly go for the RALDEY AT V3S. The Zealot belt from Backfire can ensure the best skating experience for you, whether you are a professional or just a casual rider, all at a very affordable price. Its powerful 750-watt dual belt drive motors offer ultra-high torque and produce a maximum speed of up to 28.5 miles per hour, depending on which mode you are riding. These motors can provide you with incredible power while accelerating and climbing. The skateboard's battery capacity is quite impressive, and this highly efficient battery can travel up to 36 km on a single charge. You can enjoy your peace of mind and experience fun riding without the hassle of charging too often. To ensure maximum balance and durability, the skateboard is built with flexible bamboo along with a glass fiber deck. You can have the easiest and fun riding experience with this super flexible electric skateboard. All these features and such an affordable price tag surely make the Backfire Zealot the best choice in its class, and getting one of these will be a great choice. So that was our list of top 5 electric skateboards for you that you can enjoy effortless fun riding. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.